Welcome back everyone, this is Tyva, and in today's video I'm going to go over a font that's currently free. So if you see this video, please go to my YouTube channel and look in the description box so you can pick up this free font. This font is called Palm Fortress, and I'm going to demonstrate it to you in the Cricut Design Space app. So let's go ahead and click there. Okay. Also remember, newbies, if you're downloading a new font, you want to make sure that your Cricut Design Space is completely closed out or it's not going to show up. So I've already downloaded my font, so we can go ahead and get going. Also, for people who are new to my channel, I call this column A, column B, which is your mat, and column C. And then also I call this my top bar. So we're going to go to text right here in column A. I'm going to type a name. Make it a little bigger here. Okay. And now that you see that I have my text box here, we have the delete. And then you have rotate here, that's to make it bigger or smaller. And then you have your lock and unlock. So we'll go over those features in another video. But in your, you see it actually showed in the second top bar. So this is my top bar 1, top bar 2, column A, column B, column C. So we're going to go in top bar 2 under font. Make sure system is selected. And then we're going to put in the name of our font. This is after you've downloaded it. See if it'll show up like that. Yep. Okay, I put in my font, press enter, and it showed up. Look how beautiful that is. I like this font. This is a beautiful scripted font. So please make sure you go to my YouTube channel, check the description box so you can get this free font and you can play around with it. We're going to be doing a little bit more with it, but I just want to introduce it to you today. See you in the next lesson.